How do you identify, describe, and name dimes? Renee bought a pencil using a silver coin. The coin she used is small and has bumpy edges. What coin did Renee use to buy her pencil? The coin Renee used is called a dime. Click the coin to see the word dime. The color of a dime is silver. On the front side, there's a picture of a president from a long time ago, Franklin Roosevelt. This side of the coin is called heads. The other side of the coin is called tails. Click the dime to show the tails side of the coin. Here's the other side of the coin. On the tails side of the coin, there's a picture of a torch and branches. The heads and tails of a dime look different, but they're the same size, shape, and color. The edge of a dime feels bumpy. We can use this information to tell whether a coin is a dime. How many dimes do you see? We can count dimes just like we count counters. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 dimes. How many dimes are there? That's right. There are 9 dimes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It doesn't matter if the dimes are heads up or tails up. Click to turn the dimes over. They're still dimes. How many dimes are there now? That's right. There are still 9 dimes.